Well, here's the latest greatest. Look at that tire. I finally got one of my new tires today. I'm still waiting on the other few. But as you can see, that's a big tire. Uh, 37 by 14.5 by 16. Creepy crawler. Nice big tire. Kind of look at it next to the original size tire and you can see it's quite a bit larger. I finally got the new shocks put in the rear. So my rear's pretty much done. I still need to change the rear brake line to a braided one. The front brakes, they're done. I've got the lines right there, the new steel brake lines with the braided ones. Got them all attached to the proportioning valve. Just a few more little things. I'm gonna put something to hold them steady to the frame so they don't go get damaged or anything. But little by little, this truck's coming along. There's still always stuff to do to it. I'm gonna remove those little aluminum trim panel things, those little trim things, edge trimming, whatever they want to call it. I'm gonna sand it down and roll some paint on it. Thinking like kind of like a little darker blue than this, and two-tone it with silver. I'm going to put the cowl induction hood on here, which I do have in the shed. I've got the cowl induction hood I bought from Summit Racing for about $350, and it sure looks better than this buckled crappy hood. The factory ones always like to buckle and get damaged, so they're kind of garbage. But the new cowled hood one is really nice though. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing these wheels and tires on the truck. It'll look real nice. But just looking at it now, looking at the truck next to this tire, and the truck isn't short, it's pretty tall already. And you see that wheel, it's gonna fill that wheel well and bring the truck another maybe 4 inches or so. Because I measured the tire, even though it says it's 37 inches of circumference, I measured it from the top to the bottom, and it's about almost 36 inches. So yeah, lost an inch of height, but you know, a lot taller than this one. A lot taller than the original 235/85/16. I hope you like this video. That sounds like crap. Another Honda. Well, have a great day and mad boosting.